1967 Mark 1 Vitesse 2-liter factory convertible. I have owned a few of these previously, and Vitesse is what really ignited my love for classics. Knowing how much I like them, I went on a hunt for a very specific car. It had to be in Mark 1. I think it's a lot nicer looking than the Mark 2, but that's just me. It had to be a 2-liter rather than an early 1600. It had to be a convertible, it had to have overdrive, it had to be Wedgwood blue, and it had to have a blue interior. That very specific combination took me 3 years to find. The car had been off the road for 12 years and did not run. Since purchasing it's had the following done amongst many other smaller things: Spax adjustable shocks on all 4 corners, lowering springs from rimmers on the front, lowering block on the rear, from Moss brand new JBW steel wheels, brand new Yokohama Advan AD008 tires, new alternator and O-belt full service, new water pump and coolant hoses, cooling system bleed, new radiator electric fan fitted, fuel system flush and secondary filter fitted. All invoices for the parts and work are present and amount to several £1,000s. Despite having carried out significant work on the car, it does still need some loving. The main thing to note is that it does struggle to start from cold. A few sprays of Easy Start have been my solution, but this would want sorting. I had planned to convert the car to SU carbs but haven't had this done, so the car retains its twin Stromberg 150s. When running, the engine is a little noisy. I have a few videos to show this for anyone interested. The roof frame has seen far better days and is broken in a few areas. I have had it down a fair few times, but it's not exactly a smooth process, especially when trying to get it back up. I did purchase, at great expense, a fully refurbished and powder-coated roof frame, so this will of course come with the car. It does sometimes pop out of third gear. This is especially the case under harsher acceleration. There is a slight oil leak coming from somewhere, but I haven't had this investigated. I've only had to top it up once. The carpets have also seen better days, and it would really smarten up the cabin if these were replaced. Rust-wise, it's really not bad. There are some areas of bubbling in a few places, but nothing particularly nasty. The floors are solid. I'm looking to purchase my first property in the not-too-distant future, so, unfortunately, some of the toys must go. Located in Epsom, Surrey. Please look at video description for more info.